Hello all, welcome back to Chicspaces, where we convert houses into homes. This home is a reflection of the personality of the people living in.
This is a house of art, and taking inspiration from their already existing art pieces, we use brass inlays, we use wooden paneling to accentuate the entire house and to give a unique backdrop to the already existing art pieces. Hi, I'm Vidhi.
Hello, and I'm Amrit. We have Sunila joining us today, who is the owner of this beautiful 3 BHK home, who's going to talk about the interiors and the experiences with us.
Hi Sunila, thank you for joining us. So tell me about which is the favorite space in this entire house?
Oh, you have really put me on spot. Honestly, there's no one favorite spot for me. Every room is very unique. My brother's room, my daughter's Nikki's room, my room. I think you've just captured our essence and our tastes. So I don't think I can point a single room out here. Thank you very much. It's a wonderful thing you've done.
Great, I couldn't agree more about the favorite part of the house. If I have to ask you, what is the happiest reason you would recommend us?
But there are many, by the way. I think starting from the way you guys have executed the project. See, I'm into a job where it doesn't give me too much of time. So you've really made sure things have been done well, be it the program management, from everything end to end, right? From electrician to woodwork to everything. I think that's one of the biggest reasons. You've been very transparent. You've beat my timelines or my availability. That was great. And I think with respect to designs, I also feel you've spoken to each one of us. You understood what we are, our tastes, be it music or be it colors or whatever, the way you brought in the essence. I think that's what makes this house different and mine and ours.
Right.
That's the best part. That's
Great.
Can't be better than that.
Absolutely.
Okay. I think last thing which I would want to ask, what is something different you would want us to do probably in your next house?
See, for this house, I would say you couldn't have done better, for sure. You've captured the best things, like I said. Definitely, I'm looking forward to working with you again for my next house.
Thank you. It will be a pleasure working with you in the future again. I'll let you guys take a tour of this beautiful house, and please let us know in the comments about your favorite chic space.
Thank you.
Thank you. you.